Do you know that thrown-out tires are 1,000 times more damaging to the environment than emissions? The garbage, incapable of decomposition for many decades, hits ecology irreparably. Car owners constantly need tires, production meets their needs, and old tires constantly pollute the environment. There's an urgent need to reduce the production of tires, but what about the need for seasonal tire replacement? After all, firstly, it is the question of safety. Our specialists have found the solution: a tire snap-on case. Innovative technology for the production of snap-on cases allows you to quickly and easily turn summer tires into winter ones. By using the snap-on cases, you will not feel the difference. Moreover, you pay about 2 times cheaper if you buy a set of 4 snap-on cases instead of 4 winter tires. The design of the snap-on case resembles rubber band, and it can be easily put on a deflated summer tire. The assembly and disassembly is extremely simple and takes up to 2 minutes per wheel. The snap-on case production is environmentally friendly, and each producer saves energy and raw material costs by 35%. Ideal solution for heavy vehicles. In addition, the snap-on cases are safer because they're made of soft rubber compounds, which ensures stable adhesion of wheels to the road surface. The outer part is much thicker, no fear of punctures. The same for the pits. Forget about deformation. They do not interfere with the installation of spikes and chains. They're easy to store, put on, and remove from the wheels. Enjoy safe winter driving.